Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY marble cup. Let's get to it. The materials you need for this DIY marble cup is a bowl of water, some nail polish colors of your choice. I've chosen blue, purple, pink, and a lighter shade of pink, and then a stick, a mug or the thing that you are marbling, and this is optional, some duct tape and scissors. Let's get started. Just finished taping my mug to have a R shape with the duct tape, and make sure it's completely on. And now I'm going to start with the nail polish. I think I'm going to start with this blue color. So open up the lid like so. I'm gonna just go for it, kind of just pouring on like that. Now I'm gonna do that exact same thing with the other colors. After you have added all your colors, get your stick and kind of mixing it around. Just like that, so it gets your marble kind of texture. Just like that. And now I'm going to get my mug, and where the R is, I'm going to dip it right into the paint. Just into the bowl. And now slowly pull it out, and there's my marble, and I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'm going to take my tape off. Just let it dry on a paper towel and wait. And now the last step for this marble cup is to take off your tape. This is my final product, my marble cup with my R. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed making that DIY marble cup. And if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!